IAUTA Electric Reach Forklift combines performance and intelligence. With a low center of gravity design and a small turning radius, it can navigate through narrow aisles with ease. It features a full free lift function and a 1000 mm double shear reach mechanism, breaking through space limitations. Equipped with a high-power AC drive motor, it offers strong power. The 36 volts electronic control system has a lower current, ensuring reliable and long-lasting battery life. It comes standard with an EPS electronic steering system, providing light and flexible steering. It has a dual-mode adjustment function, allowing for controllable lifting speed. With imported proportional hydraulic valves, its lifting speed is 300% faster than that of ordinary models. The multifunctional display screen can monitor the battery level, working hours, and fault codes in real time, making management more hassle-free. Whether it's in a narrow warehouse or for high-intensity operations, it can perform faster, more stably, and more intelligently, helping you gain the upper hand in terms of efficiency.